Everybody has dream. Nobody knows but you. You can't get advice on what you should do with your life, right? Nobody knows what you are like. Even somebody you don't really even know what you are. You're gonna take your short dates as much as you want people to agree, and you want to people around you to be supporting your dreams. It's not going to like that all the times. You got to do it alone, and people will help you. Even you get the balls rolling, people will jump on. But if you don't believe, nobody else is gonna believe. People stand along because your belief is so and so. Following your dreams is a lonely, solitary, scary, and dangerous pursuit. You can't wait for somebody to think you can do it. Many of you, as I have seen, as I am, are where you are in your life, based upon what you believe. And it's not just what you think. You believe on the surface, it's also your shadow belief that's holding you back from moving on to the life that's a belief you deserve. What I know is, if you are not looking at the shadow, if you are not looking at what is subconsciously running so the trap in your mind, telling yourself you're not good enough, you're not smart enough, you're not enough, which is a trap that's playing for a lot of people. If you are not conscious of that, then you end up acting up of that belief system, and not out of what you know to be trust or when to be trust for yourself. And you don't become what you want, because so much of the venting is about living in the space of what you don't have. That's why Jim Carrey's story is so powerful, because he started to act or thought he already had it. He wouldn't go up to Melon's Land's drive. He wouldn't drive away thinking, I already have the things, I just haven't accessed them as yet. I believe those things are going to come to me, and I'm going to act like they are. So I'm going to move forward in my life in order to draw that to myself in such a way that my actions are alignments with what I say I believe. So if you start to think about the really, why are you where you are in your life, the choice that you have made have been because what are you believe. To be the trust yourself. If you can for the rest of your life live inside yourself, stop listening to people who are calling you fat. Everybody, that make no sense. All these people putting their insecurities on you. You got to flash it out. You're gonna start everything and throw it away. You have the beliefs on one thing, and that is yourself. Right now, for you to finding greatness in yourself, you're not gonna find it by looking in our books or by even hearing me. I may give you the spots, but you've got to go inside to find it. And that means you gotta do quite go in our rooms, stop talking, searching your soul, searching your mind, searching your ability, and you'll find it. But if you're not looking for it, you won't find it. So if you go to short your journey, and the journey starts with your finding, why the hell am I here on his earth planet? Why am I here? And if you don't know that, you will live the rest of your life searching. Always asking your question, you have to believe you deserve to win. And sometimes it's not just that you think. We gods, but that's why done so much. We must be worthy of winning. See there's the edge in your life. Good people in life won't take more from the tables of life. That's they think they are worthy and I deserve. See, in the business, sometimes short terms, all these scenes, these sometimes wills, bad intentions can get ahead. Short terms, but you always rap, but you saw karma is always a real things, and eventually people's that takes shortcut. That's just that hurts other people's that have ill intent. They work the universe short of finding a way eventually to get them where they are supposed to be. But people will never take more that they thinks they are worth, which is why the mandatory requirements for good people to win is their beliefs they deserve it, their beliefs they're worthily winnings, and sometimes it's not just who we are that's we need to believe in, but what you are done in this sense that sometimes your God to outworks everybody, and your gods to be willing to do the things nobody else is willing to do. So you begins to convince yourself, man, I'm doing all the things everybody else is unwilling to do, so I deserve to get the results other people aren't going to get.